Hi there! Welcome at the feedback video about Module 0 in this January edition of the course. We hope you had a great start of the new year. At least you decided to join this project management course. A warm welcome. Weekly we'll provide you with some feedback on what's happening in the course. So, what happened so far? Let's first talk about your expectations. We asked you to share your expectations on a world map. I scrolled around on that world map and added myself as well. Did you find me? It's so nice to see the variety of backgrounds and expectations from several parts of the world. Great! The diversity of our audience provides great potential for the group work later on. We see a lot of relevant experience. We hope that you will really share this during the discussions that will follow. What happened on the forum this week? More and more introduction messages are being posted. Keep up the good work. It would be nice to reply to each other's posts. That would be a great starting point for engagement and collaboration. As a course team, we do our best to answer your questions as soon as possible, but your colleagues might also be able to answer. Some of you might be curious about the teamwork in this MOOC, so let's spend some words on this. We only expect you to work in teams from Module 2 onwards. In Module 2, we will explain how you can make these teams whose members share interests. With different time zones, you might expect difficulties in cooperation. Well, we of course understand these difficulties, but at the same time, we do see opportunities. We all gained a lot of experience with online working during the COVID pandemic, isn't it? And after all, this is also about project management, right? Let's explain our choice of working in teams for this MOOC. Project management is a team effort in our view. We hope that such team effort will benefit your learning experience, for example by the variety of backgrounds you will come across. Yes, the logistics might be somewhat more complicated, but we think you can organize for that. Your fellow MOOC colleagues are busy with a job, a study or other activities anyway, so finding a moment when everybody is available might be challenging, regardless of time zone differences. We will, of course, provide you with some tricks about working in virtual teams in Module 2. And an advantage could be that the first person in Asia starts with a task, somebody from Europe continues and the US participant finalizes. That could be effective, right? So that's it for now. Module 0 is finished. The materials for Module 1 will be released later today, 12 o'clock UTC. You can expect new materials always at that moment of the week. Enjoy and lots of success!